What up, guys? My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome to the Wheelhouse. So, if it's your first time on the channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, select all for me so you get the content as I put it out, and make me a comment if you want to hear about markets, market conditions, certain stocks, certain cryptos, some technical analysis. I'll look at it and most likely do a video for you. I wanted to apologize. I haven't made a video for a few days. I've had a lot of different things going on in my personal life, family, as well as, everything is super bullish in trading right now, stocks and crypto. And I'm like laser focused on making money on that. So I've been hitting it hard. But if you guys want to be getting those alerts like everybody else is getting in that Discord, just jump in. I got the link to the description. Wait, the link is in the description. Yes. Of this video. Click that, go into the Discord, and you can go in there for free. Most people are in the Jedi area, and you won't see the Jedi area until you upgrade. So just go to start here, hit subscriptions. If you do the annual Jedi, use the code green lights, one word, capital G, and that gets you half off. So instead of paying $99 a month times 12 months, pay one fee, and you get the elite area, you get all the alerts, you get the group trainings for the Wheelhouse Wednesday, you get 10 hours of one-on-one coaching with me, you get all the Jedi areas and community chat, voice chats, as well as all the courses, and it's just real cool in there, and I can teach you a lot and help you out. I mean, I'm pushing pretty big numbers. I mean, we're only at the end of March, and I'm past 300% now. I'm like 326%, but that was like last time I counted, and today I had a big day, so I might be a little higher, I'm sure. Yeah, we, you might not have noticed this, but throughout the whole time I've had the YouTube, I've been trying to break it down for people. I got on here because I knew there was a lot of people hungry for knowledge that didn't really know that much about trading or investing or markets, and I knew a lot about it. So I got on here to kind of help people, and this whole time I've basically taken you guys around the world of trading and investing, learning about markets, how to spot a top, what the fourth phase looks like, what it looks like when you come out, when you should buy, how you should exit, how you need to adjust your playbook for each different market environment throughout each cycle. Well, lo and behold, we were kind of coming to a top, so that's phase 3. We went through phase 4, and now we're coming into phase 1. And phase 1 and phase 2 are where you make all the money. So that's when you start seeing things like this, where they bottom, the volume contracts, it builds a base, and then boom, your blue ribbon, your accumulation, your price action goes over the 200, you break a resistance, you retest it, and you run. And you create that blue ribbon, and you go all the way up. And that's happening on a lot of charts. Now, there's different ways to play, different, whether it's momentum trades or breakout trades or intraday or scalping. There's lots of different ways, and I teach you guys that in the Discord. However, right now we got those bases coming out of we have breakouts coming out of bases with an accumulation phase. So it's like real fast money and really big money that can be made if you know how to size, you know how to spot it, and you know how to get it right and protect your capital. So yeah, I had told you guys back in February, this is what's going on back in here. I said, look, it's getting tight. We just need to get over here. And I had explained that February 28th this was going to happen back over here, and boom, it happened. And then now we got our blue ribbons. We're above here on Bitcoin. Now, there's a whole bunch of cryptos that are looking good. You always want to get in at the beginning when the ribbon goes blue and you go above this, because if you do that, this was $22,000 of Bitcoin right here, and this was way more than that. This was actually 500% from here to here. So went from like 9 grand to 55 grand. So it was a pretty big gain. Yeah, so you want to get in at the beginning, and remember, below this 200 bearish, above bullish, okay? So when you get those ribbons, the ribbons signify trend, okay? Now, I put together a few different things to take a look at, but I just want to show you just a couple things from today. I mean, there's other things in the Jedi chat area, but you can see Okay, right here, I'm noticing that we are getting a lot of the large cap are coming back. In fact, Apple's been bullish for 11 days straight. So I told everybody get I don't know if it's double or triple leverage, but FNGG and then Unity I've been watching every day, and it's been going really well. Run has a breakout. I said tomorrow, but that'll be today for you. Lulu took a little nibble on the earnings aftermarket. ARC, possible breakout actually today. And it's a high likelihood of being a big mover if it breaks out. So be ready for that. We're right on the line. That could pivot past, and with a lot of volume, you're looking for volume over the breakout spot. If that happens, ARC could be a big play tomorrow or today for you. All right, Bitcoin back on the hunt. All right, Palantir breakout. We hit that. Bros breakout. We hit that. We hit it big. In fact, look, 12.39, but it was up 14.5 today. DRN charge point. DRN up 8.44 today. Charge point. It's in here. Right here. 5.3%. These are alerts from today. 5.3%. Early in the morning. Look at what time it is. Look, 10 o'clock in the morning. 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 in the morning, I'm telling them, DRN charge point. What happens to DRN? Up 8.44%. What happens to charge point? Up 5.3%. What happens to FNG? FNGG, 5.95%. I took Hood, 24.2%. I didn't get all that, but I got it. I hit Bros when it was up like 1-2% in the morning, and it went all the way to 14.5%, guys. SoFi killed it. I got a lot of shares of that. So, you know, I'm taking a look at this stuff. Here's the little ARC breakout I'm talking about, okay? See right here? This is a swing high. And so if this body closes above it, see how the volume tried to push? And this is turning. So if the volume comes in big tomorrow and it pushes up, this thing could be a mega breakout. Because if all the tech and all the innovative and all that stuff starts to move, which I think it might because it feels like that's where we're going, then yeah, man, easy money. Net, Cloudflare, looks like it's going to break out. I called that the day before, and look what happened to Net. Call it the night before the market opened. Let's do it like this so I can just find it really fast. Net. So the night before, I said, guys, in the Jedi chat, I said, guys, looks like Net's going to break out. Boom. Here's the base. Touched, touched, touch, 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 touch. Boom. Volume, price action above the 200. Big body candle close above. Ribbon tightening, ready to go. Net's ready to run. Well, how much is it going to run, Chris? Well, I don't know, bro. It's at 122 right now, but its all-time high was 221, so that's $100, baby. Who loves you? All right, so look, here's the kind of stuff I help you with. Look, Jedis, Padawan, please take this time in your life to make a lot of money. When Bitcoin gets that blue ribbon, baby, and it's above the 200 on the daily, buy into everything crypto and crypto stocks. Don't waste time. Get it. If you pick right and position size accurately, you can 4x your money over this next bull run. Get it. And I'm trying to get everybody ready for that. And look, right before that, congratulations, Bitcoin just got its blue ribbons. Right before that, SBAL, EMCF, those are really good. Ford and Bros on the move. Baba breakout, these are days ago. Doge, Algo, let's get all of it. 3 days ago, I said Bitcoin bull run starting. This is on the 21st of March. 3 days ago, I said the Bitcoin bull run is starting. I've been in since 37,800 holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zcash, BNB, Luna, Elgaran, ETH, Aave, AVAX, Litecoin, Gala, Luna, Solana, Matic, Shiba, Cardano, Mana, Atom. Guys, this is the time to get paid and load the bank. 3 days prior, Bitcoin bull run started. So, I mean, look, I'm there for you. I'm helping you guys out. You got to get in the Discord. You should just, you know, you can come in for free, but most people want to upgrade, and you get the one-on-one coaching and all the alerts. And man, those alerts just get you paid. I know what I'm doing. Like, I'm getting paid. I'm up 326%, guys. Like, and I'm not messing with a small account. I'm messing with a serious account. Like, it's pretty solid. So if you guys want, get in there. Look at this. This one, there's an alert I said, look, boom, there's that swing high. Look, we're right on the line. This thing could break out. Look, volume's going in the direction of price action. Again, tightening. This thing's coming down to meet. We got to get over that line with volume. Boom, another breakout. You know what else I saw? I think it's Adobe. Adobe's got a breakout coming. I didn't put an alert about this, but oh yeah, because it's coming. I'm watching it. It's not there quite yet, but look, it's coming. There's a lot of good stuff out there. You know, if you guys want crypto, these are my favorites. Obviously, you guys should be in Bitcoin, okay? Like, there should be no reason that you're not in Bitcoin. Stop trying to talk yourself out of it. Oh, Russia. Oh, Ukraine. Oh, oil. Oh, supply. No, man. Blue ribbons above the 200. Like, the institutions are trained. This is how we make money. This is why I'm a wealthy person living on a lake, like balling. Like, I'm here for you guys. Bitcoin, you need it. Okay, I think Cardano, you know, I called out Cardano at 88 cents. I called it at 88 cents. It's at 117. It's almost at 118. I mean, I told you guys at 88 cents. Here we are. So, boom. I think you should have that. Ethereum, you guys got to have that. Look, I'm hella bullish on Aave right now. Hella bullish. Look, just got the blue ribs. Blue cheese on the ribeye. Who loves you, baby? Price action right above the 200. What's coming? Just a little push and we got a breakout. And then another. And guess what? It's only at 219. This thing was over here at 640 once upon a time. Well, that's 674 way up here at the peak. But let's just like tone it back a little bit. Call it 615. But I mean, we're talking about a 3x, guys. Like, come on. So that one's good. I do like Mana. I like Matic. I love Solana. So like Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Aave, Zcash is bullish. Luna is bullish. You gotta stay with what's bullish, you know. Some that I like though are Matic, Mana, Algorand. I even like Bat Token. I don't think it's as bullish quite yet, but Shiba actually has a breakout coming like right now. Okay, so blue ribbon's getting tight. The 200 just popped up today because it's been 200 days now. And boom, here's the swing high. Here's the base. And wick, no good. Wick, no good. Small volume, but I mean, remember the day just started a few hours ago. If this thing does push and it gets above the line, Shiba's going to turn blue and Shiba's going to go back to bullish, guys. And if Shiba goes back to bullish, I think, you know, first stop's going to be 403548. Next one's going to be up in here at the 403921. You know, you're going to come up in, I mean, you're going to have a little bit of ladder sets, but you don't have a lot of resistance on the way up, you know. You know what else doesn't have a lot of resistance? Is this one. Check this out. Facebook. Okay? I've been in Facebook this whole thing. Boom. Ever since it pivoted, I've been in it. Now, look at this. Facebook literally, legitimately has no resistance. There's nothing in the way. It already got past the swing high. There's nothing in the way all the way to 328. There is no resistance, guys, for $100. If this thing is making its move, have you ever seen those huge blue clouds that just never stop? I have. Let me show you one on something you might be familiar with. It's called a little something called Bitcoin. Bitcoin made one of those blue clouds. It didn't just make it once either. It made it many times. Let's go look. Let's just pull this off so you can get a better look here. All right. We'll just show you a couple of them. Okay, here's one. Okay, Facebook's like right here. This is Bitcoin. They happen, guys. It's actually in the middle of one right now. This is how I knew. Look at this. There's a lot of money's being made up in here, guys. Look at these. Look at these. Okay? Well, Facebook's doing that whole deal right now, guys. So that's kind of stuff, you know, I mean, it's so cheap, right? And no resistance for 100 bones. Like, might as well get it. But yeah, I think all crypto, you gotta just be in it. Like, we're gonna hit an equity bull run, and we're gonna hit, I mean, we're coming off the bottom, okay? You can't be in everything. You should have a mixed play. I put together a few things that are diverse to kind of get you started, but I mean, there's so many good ones. Like I hit this one today, bros. It was a revenge trade for me, but blue ribbon. I mean, this cloud is moving. There's the breakout. And this is a long base off a pivot low. Touch, 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 and boom, over the top, okay? Look at the volume. That's what you're looking for, and that's what you get as your prize, okay? DraftKings, it's not ready, but you know what? This is the middle of the process that I talk about. See, it comes down, boom, 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 little fail, boom, 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 boom. That first candle's the middle point. So from this point, this process goes longer and then starts to curve up. You know what just did that? Let me show you. A little thing called Bitcoin. This is how I know, guys. This is how I knew. Okay? It comes down, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. It's making a base, okay? And then the right side comes up as the volume contracts and it pushes, okay? This is the kind of stuff you have to be able to spot. This is how it's done. You look at how volume contracts, bases go, price action, behavior, and you can tell what's coming. That's why my alerts are so powerful. I watch a lot of these guys out there. A lot of them really don't know what they're talking about. And then the ones that are really good, they're good like, 20% of the time. I'm way, way, way up, like in the 90s. But that's why I'm up so much in my accounts too, because I know about all this stuff. I don't do it the way that most people do it. Even though I understand that way, I just have a different way that like I know makes more money than those ways. I just know that because I did those ways until I figured this out. And I could teach you those ways too. In fact, I do, but this is, as long as you trust it and you know how to enter and you know how to exit and you know how to adjust during each change in a market cycle, okay, from the revolver to the shotgun to the distribution to the prop trading, moving large amounts of money in and out, to the revolver market, to all these different things, to the clean bull run where the volatility is low, to the super high volatile. You just got to understand how to do it. And you also got to understand how to get out of margin and learn to go short. And remember, I was making like 200 grand a day, guys, going short. I was banging this whole thing down, but I wasn't doing Bitcoin. I was doing more like the indexes over here. And I was doing triple leverage. So I was doing stuff like this. Like this right here. I rode this whole thing up. Boom. And then I got out. Boom. I went up, and then I took all this. I made so much on this. This was like a couple hundred grand. This was like 400 grand. This was like a lot going up. This was a lot more coming. I did it all these, and like right now, I'm telling you, you got to go pivot to pivot. And I had explained that right here. See, look, this is actually really good. This is what the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ has price action over the 200. It's going up, and it had a breakout. Look at the body candle close, guys. Boom, body candle close off of the swing high pivot. Okay, still making lower highs. Still, the primary trend is down, but it is trending up. Now, it gets past this one, guys. First, if it breaks out of the pattern, or if it gets past this, or both, we're in a whole new thing. It's a whole new bull run. This is just the beginning of it. So this is the time to get paid. There's going to be months this year, trust me, that are horrible. And for those that don't know how to short and pivot, momentum and scalp, and know how to get in and out of these things intraday and make money every single day, no matter what the market throws at you, no matter what it throws at you, that's me. You know how people say, they say, oh yeah, you're a genius if you make money, when it's a bull run. Yeah, I'm that guy saying that to most people. Most people are freaking out, losing their ass when the shit's coming down. I'm like laughing all the way to the bank, making a ton of money. And then when it turned, I'm making a ton of money. I'm not dollar cost averaging because I don't know how to spot a pivot. I'm not dollar cost averaging, putting good money behind bad. No, I'm riding it all the way down and getting out, and switching gears. And I'm making money on every single part of it. That's the pro way. That's how we do it. We go pivot to pivot. Put our foot on the gas when we know it's time. And now we're coming into a new phase, which is the best phase. It's phase 1, coming out of phase 4, which is an accumulation phase, and all the bases are building, the volume is accumulating, and it's looking really, really good. Equities and cryptos. Time to get paid. The money printer is out, guys. I'm not playing. So Look, if you want to have a little bit of diversity, I'm all about like hitting it hard on the triple leverages right now, but I'll just show you a few things I put together for you. Just an idea. So Soxel, okay, instead of buying Nvidia and AMD and all these different things, you could just buy Soxel, okay? It's triple leverage bull, and you could just run game with this thing. Make 3 times the amount of money, spend way less money. It's only $45 a share. You don't have to buy On Semiconductor. You don't have to buy Rambus. You don't have to buy Nvidia. You don't have to buy AMD. You don't have to buy any of them. You don't have to buy any of them. You just buy Soxel cheaper. You can have more of them, and you could just run this whole thing up at every dollar that it goes up is $3 for you. So, okay, this one is shipped. So that's semiconductors. This is shipping. I mean, it's moving, guys. It's moving really, really good. That's marine shipping. This is also marine shipping. Killer dividend. I had it. I didn't even know that I was getting a dividend. I looked at my account. I got $6,800 dividend. Look at this dividend, guys. This thing is insane. 53.91% dividend yield. I didn't even know. It's crazy. I got paid out on this. Piedmont Lithium. Okay, so you got some lithium, some marine shipping, some more shipping, and semiconductors. Okay, lithium. Boom, running. There's that big cloud I was telling you about. Just had a breakout, blue ribbon above the 200. Who loves you? Cure. Healthcare, triple leverage. Same thing, above the 200. Nice little bounce. Got the trend going up on the blue ribs. Boom. Healthcare, triple leverage. Might as well get it 3 times as fast. Oh, what else I put in there? Triple leverage financial. Boom. Look at the curve on that. Now we got our price action above the 200. We're twisting. Volume's okay. Everything's looking good. Got to get that because interest rates are going up. CrowdStrike. I'm up a lot on this thing. I got in on this candle on this day, and I've been in it ever since. This is before the blue ribbon. Now I got the blue ribbon. We ran up above the 200. A couple lower days, but this thing is about to pop. Watch. Trust me. One of my favorites. NRGU. Triple leverage. Oil and energy. Dude, made so much money on this. Bitcoin, we already talked about it. One of my favorites, I will not sell. I don't care what happens. I'm not selling. I'm up 100 and, well, I'm not going to look. Okay, I'll look. Hold on. I think it's 198% on this thing from my first shares. So now it's like a game for me. I don't want to sell. Oh, it came down a little bit. Hold on. It's loading. Come on. Hello. Well, oh, there it is. 195.99. So 196%. I'm up on this thing. Antero Resources. I found this cup and handle long time ago on the weekly. Boom, look at this thing. From here to here was 3.5 years, guys. This thing was nasty. And I pulled everybody into this. Just hopefully everybody's with me. I know a lot of people did, but I'm just crushing the game with that thing. Like, I'm crushing it. EOLS. Okay, this is a pharmaceutical healthcare. And so healthcare is coming back. And when you see like aluminum and corn and wheat, by the time you hear about them, people are already in them because they start looking like this. They're just getting above the 200, that cloud, you got the ribbon, everything's looking really good. Well, in 6 months, they're all going to be talking about healthcare, but I'm telling you about it right now. So boom, there you go. BTU, big money maker. Had a down day today, but whatever. It's just because Russia and Ukraine are talking doesn't mean that anything is changed with supply and energy. And it's not like the U.S. is going to go back to Russia like hat in hand begging for energy when we produce our own and can have energy independence. It just makes no sense. So the market just doesn't know what they're doing right now. So look, big base, cup and handle, impulses, bull flags, big breakouts, big retest. I mean, this thing is like, dude, off the look how perfect this is. Okay, you got a base. Okay, so we're going to come back to the breakout. This is a cup and handle. Okay, there's the cup. Okay, boom. It break. So here's the handle, breakout, retest, impulse, bull flag to the 20, and now watch it run. Whew. Man, I pick them. Anderson's. Okay, this thing is just getting you paid. I mean, look, this is agriculture, commodities, and milling. Cleveland Cliffs, steel. Okay, same thing. Above the 200, blue ribbons, multiple breakouts, unstoppable. UAN. Okay, this is process industries, chemical, agricultural, basically fertilizer. Moss is fertilizer. So you got fertilizer, You have pesticides, you have steel, you have agricultural milling, coal, you have health technology and pharmaceuticals, you have oil and gas production, you have crypto, Bitcoin, you have triple leverage oil energy, then you have cybersecurity, triple leverage financial, triple leverage healthcare, lithium, marine shipping out of Israel with a huge dividend, marine shipping everywhere else, and a triple leverage semiconductor. Boom. That's a good little, like, let's, I told you I'm up a lot. Well, those are some of my winners right there. Okay. Just maybe see if I can take a look at something else for you. SoFi had a good day, 9.62. Now, this thing is still coming down, but I mean, look, it's kind of doing that thing where, I mean, this is officially like a higher low right here. I mean, it really is. It's going up in a direction right there. So, I mean, I gotta say, like, this thing is lower than its IPO price. I mean, look where it came down to, and see the dotted lines down here. Okay, at the bottom of the wick. I mean, this thing was all the way down here, lower than its IPO. So even right here at the top, it's still lower than its IPO. I mean, you can't go wrong. I just keep picking up a lot of this, and when I have a day like this, 9.62%, and you have a bunch of shares, like it affects your portfolio in a good way. DRN, triple leverage real estate, that new report just came out. Actually, the demand is still so high because the supply is low and prices are still going up. Look at this, dude, just shooting above the 200. This thing's going to turn. This is going to be good. Hibble, I'm trying to get back in this tomorrow. This is a high beta bull, okay? It's S&P 500 high beta, okay? But it's triple leverage. I like that triple leverage. I like to put a lot of money in because I know how to enter and exit, and I like to put a lot of money in on size, into momentum, on triple leverage, and then make a bunch of money, and then get out. Boom. That's how I do it. Here's another one I like. I'm looking at T-Cell or Tech-L or whatever. So this is technology bull, triple leverage, and also this FNGG, which is the mega cap ones. Okay, Unity. Let me show you what I'm seeing on Unity. Now, it says 5.92 today, but I've been watching this thing like every day. I've been watching this thing since like $83, and we're at 103. So it's come up $20 already, and we're approaching a swing high breakout. And I think Unity wants to make a play. Palantir had a big day today, and it's actually breaking out. Let's see if it's over the line. Oh, it's right at the line. So tomorrow is going to break out. Okay, that means today. Sorry, today you need to be in Palantir. Okay, SI Silvergate. It's another one I like. Just got the blue ribbon above the 200. You're running. Now here's a couple other ones. Okay, ChargePoint, super cheap. You should have it. This one I like. This is triple leverage transportation. I've had it. I'm getting it again. I don't have it right now. I'm getting it again. Look, again, this is how you make money, guys. This is how you make money. Watch. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Okay. Okay. We're going to have to. Oh, my God. We're going to have to. Oh, let me just show you something here. Okay, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where the blue ribbon started above the 200. Let's just say it was way over there, which it looks like it was because the 200 is below it. Let's mark this yellow so we can see. And if we just did what I'm trying to show you right now, you bought this stock, which is called Adobe, at $66, okay? And it went. You didn't sell until 640. That's a 10-bagger, homie. Who loves you, baby? 10-bagger. All I'm trying to do is show you a way to enter where you can hold, and it's you, it's people, it used to be me, that are our own worst enemies. If we just learn how to be above the 200 and stay in that ribbon and do nothing but buy once perfectly and enter or exit once perfectly, is 10x. And I've showed you so many times on this channel, 300%, 200%, like so many times. By just doing that. I got a whole list of them that are just in the blue ribbon, just chilling. Yeah, they go up and down on their way to victory. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes they're up already 50, 60%. They'll come down 10, 15%. You're like, but you can trust that ribbon. You can trust the trend. The trend is your friend, and it's not stopping. And that's why I'm so bullish on like Aave and Luna and Zcash and Bitcoin and Ethereum, because the the base, the accumulation over the 200, the price action, boom, boom, boom. That's how we get paid, guys. I'm here to help you get paid. Remember, the reason I can disappear for a week on YouTube is because I don't need to be on YouTube. I'm already retired. I already can trade and make as much money as I ever want every single day. I don't have to do it. I might take a job over in New York at a prop trading firm because I can make a ton of money by using their money. They have no idea like how nasty I can get for them. If they want to load the piggy bank with a lot of dough, they're gonna get really, really, really paid with a guy like me working for them. So I want to do that. I'm probably gonna do that. Now Neo is still cheap. It's come down a lot. This thing is not ready, but I mean, I don't think it's gonna retest these lows. This thing is making its way up. These are getting tight. I mean, it's time to be back in Neo, I think. Here's another one. Boring. Utilities, but look how many people are getting in utilities and defensive plays because they know a recession's coming. Go back to my September video about recessions when nobody even knew a recession was coming, and I was telling you exactly what was going to happen. And since that video, every single thing I said would happen, from the Fed to them raising more rates to doing it in more succession to a recession, all these different things, all of them have happened since that video back in, I think, September or November. So, guys, I've been around the block. I've been around the cycles multiple times. I know how this works. I could pretty much do it blindfolded. It's at this point, I know how to do it so good that I don't even it's easy at this point. Can it be frustrating? Yeah. Do I get out of the perfect top? No. Do I get into the perfect bottom? No. But I come really close and I get the meat of the move, and I have ways and strategies to do that. I know where to look. If you know where to be, you're always in the right place. If you know how to work the particular environment, you're always working it for maximum gains, okay? Like, I teach you how to be a savage, okay? I teach you how to get sick with it and make a ton of money in that Discord. So get in there. If you're tired of losing money, let me help you. Because it's getting nice on the lake, and I'm about to start going out on my boat and chilling. Maybe we'll actually do a YouTube video on my boat, and I'll show you some of the houses on the lake. It'd be pretty cool. I'll do that soon, actually, for you. It's getting warm out there. It was freezing on the lake, but now it's getting warm, and like everybody's coming out to party, and all the boats are coming out again. So maybe we'll do a little video like that. All right. So look. Basically, get in the Discord. If you don't want to, that's cool. Stay on the YouTube, like it, subscribe, whatever. And stay in the trend, okay? We got momentum coming in. We're coming out of bases. We're accumulating. Stay in the right sectors. Have a mix. Don't just be all in commodities. Sure, have some steel. Have some fertilizer. Have some aluminum if you want. Have some energy. But have some semiconductors. Have some cybersecurity. Throw in a few different things, and look for breakouts in the accumulation phase coming out of bases with volume, okay? That trend will show in the ribbon. The volume will power through the pivot, and that's how you get paid. It's time to get back to breakouts and swings and stops and capital protection, and put your foot on the gas only if you're comfortable, only if you know what you're doing. And if you don't, I'll help you even for free. Just tell me what you need help with. Come in the Discord. You can private message me. I'm in there all the time. You can just tag me, and I just talk to everybody. I mean, I'll help you out with anything. Like, I for sure, I'll help you. So just, you got that. If you need help, and we can talk privately, so nobody has to know what you're thinking or wondering about or whatever. Yeah, but a lot of good stuff. I mean, you can almost throw a dart at it, but when you can throw a dart at stuff, that's great. But getting maximum gains is going to come from leaders, fundamentals, coming out of bases, like the behavior of a stock with the volume and the price action, and exactly how to enter and exit, and how to work the trade and manage the trade properly and scale in. Get in off the breakout, and then if it's working for you, buy more. Just load the boat. Get out of your losers, put it in your winners, and run game. You only need so many winners to double or triple your money. And look, I'm going to leave it there. I appreciate you watching to the end. My name is Chris, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.